finish me off with that Sunny V2 video. Unfortunately, I'm going to leave you alive for a while. So, folks, if you don't know, right now, Fort Lauderdale is underwater, which I feel like isn't really in the news right now. KBS, thank you for gifting Shaloon a tier 1 sub. But, like, it got 2 feet of rain. It got 2 feet of rain. Salmon Moose, thank you for the 5 gifted subs. My goodness. Yeah, it got 2 feet of rain. 24 inches of rain. Okay. Here's a little bit of drone footage from downtown Fort Lauderdale, okay? Captured yesterday. Look at this. Too deep to drive in. Just abandoned cars all down the main street. Ashley, thank you for gifting Sentient Waffle a sub. But yeah, no, like, 2 feet is a lot of rain if it just sits on the ground and stays there. Appreciate it. But yeah, no, like, this is a horrific amount of flooding. Like, basically every first floor building in the entirety of the city is ruined. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, America's... Honestly, the entirety of Florida is our new Venice, okay? We're gonna have so many canals up in that little, penis of America. So many canals. But not only that, Ron DeSantis has actually been, he's been in Ohio. So instead of responding to his constituents literally being drowned under 2 feet of water, he's been fucking off in a different state entirely.
From the treatment plant, but it was all treated water. Never was there ever untreated water discharged into the waterways.
Have you spoken with Governor DeSantis?
Governor DeSantis has not yet called. I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm sure he's very interested in what's going on here, and we're happy to work with his office. In the meantime, the state agencies we've been working with them. The Fish and Wildlife Office has been working with us, so we appreciate that. I'm not sure the governor himself needs to be involved, but the state agencies have been very helpful in working with us to take on this challenge.
And you said so far there have been over 900 rescue calls. What do you have to say to people that are trapped in their homes?
Like, imagine an entire city flooding to this degree and the governor fucks off because he's doing like a PR campaign against trans people in Ohio. Like, god damn, the Republicans and conservatives are such cucks for this shit. Yeah, why did Ron DeSantis buy those silly looking little rubber boots if he wasn't gonna even use them in a flood? If none of you know what I'm talking about, these bad boys. Look at these unspoilt white bad boys, okay? That's style, motherfuckers. That's unrepentant riz on this man. Okay? Where is he in his cute little boots? They ain't stopping 2 feet of water. Wait, I'm trans in Ohio. He's here? Yup. He is. That's negative Riz, yeah. Who buys white galoshes? I have no idea. I have no idea, dudes. Anyway, that feels like just a story to